This 2022 Forest River No Boundaries NB 19.6 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 24 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, smoke detector, stovetop burner, TV, air conditioning, LP detector, spare tire kit, refrigerator, self-contained, skylight, TV antenna, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River No Boundaries NB 19.6 is 4,339 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.